Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Like I mentioned earlier on my previous Chanel 19P unboxing, that I did have a second item to unbox with you, and the reason why I did not want to include them together is because this one is not a 19P, and as you can see, this is a smaller purchase obviously, and my asset was nice enough to give me some extra camellias as per my request. So here it is. It comes in this beautiful shopping bag, and this is the item, and this is a true unboxing because, like I mentioned in my previous video, I came back from the boutique. I just picked these two up today. So this is what the camellia looks like, and we are going to be unwrapping this. I am super thrilled I was able to get this, and if you'd like to guess, please write down your comments on what you think this item is. This is how it opens up, literally. This is to reveal. It is a custom jewelry item. This is the piece right here. This is what it looks like. So let me try to take this off first. This is my second brooch, so I know how to remove it now. Last time I did struggle a little bit on camera, but this is basically what it would look like. And since I bought my first brooch, and actually I have it right here, this is what I wore today, so I could actually compare the two together. I wanted something a little bit more, I guess, casual, right? And something that I could wear that is just a little less formal. So I decided to up with this piece. And the measurement on this piece is, one moment please, it is 160 by 1. 160 by 1. So like I said, I wanted something a little bit less formal. I thought this would be super cute, and I could wear this anytime. And since I've gotten this one, I've been obsessed with these. I just find that these brooches really elevate your outfit. So yeah, I wanted to have one in the pearls, and I do really like this one. Hopefully I won't have any issues with the pearls, and we shall see. But I did try a couple. The other ones that I saw in the store were either too big, literally the same size of this, if not bigger, and they also had a lot of crystals, for which I'm not crazy, because we all know that crystals tend to fall off. Not to say that pearls won't fall off, but I'm hoping that hopefully I won't have any issues with this one. So yeah, so I wanted something smaller, and the essay told me that I could also wear them together if I wish, but I don't think that's something I'm going to be doing. But yes, super happy that I was able to get this, and I will show you the item. So this is pretty much it, and please remember to like and subscribe, where you'll be notified if I have any other videos that I upload. And this is pretty much it. Have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye.